Hi guys, Ashley here from Sampson, and today I'm here to walk you through my hair care routine featuring our newest wash day collection. Alright guys, so I just put in my conditioner. I'm still sectioning my hair. It just helps me make sure I get all of the product evenly distributed. And so you can check out, to be coming soon, our matchbox of bobby pins as a part of your beauty routine. But right now I'm just going to go ahead and start pinning up my hair and then hop under the steamer. Thank you for watching my wash day routine tutorial. Today is the after pictures of what my hair looks like once I loose it out. I'm about to probably do something a little bit cleaner with it, but thank you guys so much for watching, and you can head to rubysampson.com anytime to shop the wash day collection. Have a good day.